What I loved about Future Cities is kind of watching how we got an idea and just watching that idea turn into a full model and an essay and a presentation and seeing how far we've come in just a few months.
Throughout Future Cities, I learned that every aspect of life is ingrained with some type of engineering involved. It was a phenomenal time learning about these different types of engineering and how they're applied to daily life.
Welcome to our city of New York.
What I liked about Future Cities was working with my friends. I also liked exploring our city with my imagination and what it would look like if it was in real life.
It was a little hard at first because it was a lot of researching, which was a little hard, but later I really got into it with the model building and writing the essay, which was a lot of fun.
So the solar soul uses superconducting magnets that are beneath the city and underneath the platform that causes a magnetic repulsion.
We had to learn how to work as a team better, and we also had to work with each other of what our ideas were and what other ideas were and find a way to combine it into one idea that worked for everyone.
Well, many teamwork went into Future Cities, from dividing up the work, but moving parts, and even choosing our city. It was all teamwork and collaborative.
I've kind of formed bonds with teammates and people that I've never really started to talk to, and now I feel like they're close friends of mine, and just watching how all of that has come so far in only a few months.